Look, I'm almost done. This is the earrings. But it's not really the same because I added flower here, but it's fine. Let's just put the last one feet. These are the colors that we can still use. And it's done. Labubu yata ang tawag nila dyan, no? Okay, beautiful friends, let's check on the hair with accessories of Hadassah and Hannah since we don't have these circles anymore. Kasi, pag ginagamit para siyang Sanrio. Oops, this is what David likes. How can we look at it, beautiful friends? Look at that one. Si David na siya. So, meron siyang, these are for event or any special occasion. Ang cute niya, be, no? So, David is also, look at that. This is a baby trying to play with the accessories of her sisters. We're going to give it to Lily too. Kasi ano lang siya, be, like 100 peso yata or 150 peso. $2 to $3 lang. Ang mura, no? Hindi ko sure kung tama ba. Check natin mamaya yung price niya. Tapos, merong outfits na parang $3 lang. Ayan. Ito na lang. Huwag na natin ilabas. Ito yung ano, this is the one that's nawawala. So, you need this all the time. Meron naman sa Syria, kaya lang ito kasi, be, isang bulk na siya. Okay. Na-enjoy ito ng girls, diba? For a special occasion tong apat. This. The other ones, it's just for hairstyle. Today, they don't have hairstyle. I just put headband for them. Okay, have a great day. We love you. David is enjoying. And he's eating his breakfast. It's egg. Tapos nilagyan ko ng mayonnaise at saka barbecue sauce. Ang kulit ng kasama ko. Busy ako sa kanya, be, kasi he had fever. So, you know, waking up, crying, wanting you to hold him. So, comfort. Have a great day, everyone. We love you. Take care. David, be. Ang ganda ng view. Tignan nyo, be, oh. Bawal to, eh. Kaya lang. Sandali lang naman, eh. Ganda, no? Kaso, mababahaan yung ganyan, eh. Malapit sa ilog. Maganda yan. Tas may house ka doon na ano, no? Cute! David likes it. Okay, naud muna siya. Para hindi siya ano, be. Ano yun? Mood. Yung mood niya ba? Okay, we love you. Have a great day.